to my channel. My name is Josephine. I'm here to teach you how to sew the bustier blouse with a manipulated dart at the back that we did in our previous tutorial. We did how to draft it in our previous tutorial. Here we are going to stitch it together. Now this is the lining that we are going to use. This is the fabric that we are going to use for the sewing. This is the zip, matching thread, our chalk, scissors, and the pattern paper. This is the pattern paper that we draft earlier. So we are going to place it on fabric in order to cut. We are going to place on the fabric. Now we are going to cut. Okay, I've cut the fabric, the lining, and also the wording. This one is 2 pieces, then the lining into 2, these 2, lining 2, these 2, the lining 2. Then I cut this on 4, then I went ahead to cut the wording for pad. So now I'm going to show you how to place it. You place this like this, then you place the wording against it this way, then the wording also. Use a hot iron to gum it together. This way. That's how you will gum it. Then the way to join it together is that you join this way. I'll go to machine now and join. Let me use pin to show you what I'm explaining. You make sure that the underbust align. That's how you will go to machine, then you join this together, you join this so that when it comes to front it will align very well. Then I will go to machine now to join it this way. That's how you will do to the lining also. Then to the back area, you bring both of them this way. This one, you join it this way. You join it this way. Also to this one, you join this way. This right side facing the right side, you join also like this. you join it this way. You join it this way. The same thing goes with the lining. You also join the lining that way. So I'm taking it to the machine now to join, and after joining I will show you how it looks. I went ahead to join both lining and fabric and also attach the wording to it. Now I'm going to show you how to join both lining and fabric together. This is the front part. You are going to the front, the right side will face the right side of the lining. The right side of the fabric will face the right side of the lining. You join the neck line and the down top and the down you top stitch. Also to the back, the right side of the back, this right side will also face the lining. The right side also will face the right side of the fabric. You join through the neck, then you join the down, you join here, then the second side of the back, you also join right side facing the right side. You join the neckline, you join the down, you join the both side, you bring it inside out through the armhole. Then we are going to our machine to join it now. Let's go to our machine, then we join all. This is the end product of our bustier blouse. This is what we get. Look at the back. Look at how the back is. Very simple and relaxed. I will put it on my mannequin so that you see how it is. Thank you for watching. Please try it. Also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. And also if there's any question, I would like to see it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Bye.